guys, it's been a while since I've done a haul, so let's open all this on the table. I have a couple of big packages that I have been waiting on you guys to open, and also smaller packages. So let's go with whatever is on the top of the pile. A while back we went to Claire's and I bought some of these jewels. They say they are actually earrings, like sticker earrings, but I would like to put them on my face actually. And because it was on the pile here, I was not using them for so long, so I guess that actually with this for my event later today, I will put some on, and I think they're adorable. Most of them are pearl or pink, and I have one gold and a few silver, but I still think that they will work super well with my stuff. The other day we were thrifting and I saw those decor, but it looks like, so meaning like necklace, but it looks like something for Christmas. They were in the Christmas section that I can put like on my decor or on my Christmas tree. Also at Miniso I found these adorable hair clips that are... No, I just broke one, really? What? Okay, I will need to reglue it, but they are heart shaped. And I have one similar like that is rainbow that I bought in Japan. One is pink and one is iridescent white. So even with this cord it would be adorable, but now I'm really afraid of dropping this one. This is from Dandy Puppeteer, from my friend and coworker Tiffany. I'm reselling Dandy Puppeteer items in Switzerland. Usually I'm selling them on the booth that I'm at because it was complicated to put all the different items on my Fluffy website. Ultimately I want to do that, but if you're looking for anything Dandy Puppeteer in Europe, let me know because I might have it in stock or I can import it directly if the shipping cost is too expensive for you, so let me know. I now own this dress that I bought in Japan. It's very cute, it's Halloweeny, and now I needed this ring that was actually in my Fluffy store stock to sell, but now I took it for me. It's really gorgeous. Like all the witch hats, they have also patches, like two-way clips, and those rings, and they're gorgeous in so many different colors. So now I have the pink and black. And also Tiffany was getting rid of some China things, and I got this saucer that is pink, and that would be super cute in my decor. I'm afraid because if it's like that you will only see that, so maybe I'll find a way to hold it, but it's not that pretty, so I'm not sure how to use it yet. It's cute, it's pink, it would work. My friend Millie from the brand Dandy Puppeteer came to Switzerland to visit, and she brought me this flower nose palette. Even though it's from China, actually flower nose does not test on animals and it's vegan, so it's actually a super good Chinese brand. So cute. And she also brought me this. That is a color that I can put on a t-shirt or something like that. I have not used it yet because it was here in this pile, but I'm not wearing t-shirts anymore. I'm mostly wearing Lolita, where all my items are like pieces of clothing are already well decorated, so I'm not sure in which case I would use this, but this is gorgeous. This is really pretty laced. Thank you so much, Millie. By the way, if you like Lolita fashion, I have tons of videos of everything about Lolita and Kawaii things in my Japan trip that I recently published, so go check out all my other videos. I have more than 1000 videos on this channel already, so be sure to subscribe so you won't miss any future video. So I bought this Casey on Lace Market because I recently bought the dress. It's the CC Cat Rainbow Dollhouse dress, I think, in mint. I actually had bought this headbow in pink at Swap Meet, and I did not realize it was the Rainbow Dollhouse, and it works with everything I own, so I'm so happy. And so now I have the mint, and it's actually mint and pink, and also I feel that even though it will match the dress, it will be very easy to wear with a lot of other things because it's really basic and just some very lighter green polka dots on it. So I think it's a really perfect addition to my wardrobe, and I like that it's actually posable, and apparently the previous owner did sew it. I liked on the pink one that you can actually twist it on the side, This one is now sewn to the headband, so we'll see if I will unsew that or probably just wear it like this. And that's so cute because the person who sold that to me said, thank you for buying my listing. I love your YouTube channel and your brand. I also love mint and I try to collect as much mint as I can. I hope you enjoy your new Casey. Thank you so much, Cherry. This is so sweet. Next is false eyelashes. So I found this brand that is actually located in Switzerland. That is so cheap for me to ship to Switzerland. But the original brand that I used was Glamnetic in the US, and I still love them so much. They're so good. It's just that the shipping cost for me was too expensive. But if you live in the US, I highly recommend Glamnetic. And so how it works is that you have eyeliner pen, like really like a marker, and this is magnetic and also kind of sticky already. And then you have magnetic lashes that you can just put on top of your eyeliner, and it works so well. You do not need to put glue, and I don't know, I struggle so much with glue all the time. And since I found this magnetic eyeliner thing, it changed my life, honestly. So go for it. I actually have affiliate link, so if you click on my link for Glamnetic in the description, you will help support my channel at no cost to you. And I felt that now that I have a gaming channel where I try to be a little bit less OTT on there, I wear my natural hair more. I tend to go with wigs again for Lolita because it's really fun, but on my other channel I tend to also just do mascara, but I'm also hating mascara. So I took these that are a little bit less big and fluffy as these fake lashes. So I'll see if these actually are a little bit more natural. I'm looking forward to see. So here they are. I think they're actually super cool because they're less voluminous, but still good. I'm very happy about it. Ooh, there's tons of things. So this is the volume 2 of Lockhart Mansion, I think. And this is Lockhart Returns. I loved the first book. It was a really cool story with 3 Lolitas as main characters, and it had OG friends and a bunch of other Lolita friends. The story was not about Lolita fashion. They were just Lolita characters, but they described everything that they did and wore on the day. So, but the story was amazing. Honestly, I highly recommend it. And this is the number 2. And I actually supported the Kickstarter. So this is why I have a bunch of things. So let's see. I have a sticker. Art by Laura Watton and a postcard. So they're all the main characters, I guess. 3 characters that I'm missing their name at the moment, and another one with the tea party. And I have a bookmark and it's Adam. This is so fun. This is a series of tools and weapons 3D printed. Oh, I have all the other ones and stickers too. Probably put the extra ones in a giveaway of some sort at some point. And tea, green tea with jasmine and English breakfast tea. So they know how to speak to Lolitas, definitely. Oh, this is a pendant, also 3D printed, that is like on the cover here. This is so cool. And also ghost 3D printed. This is so cute. It's white, so it could actually be perfect in my Halloween decor. So go check out Lockhart Mansion. I probably think that you need to read the first one before. I'm really looking forward to reading the second one. Yay! Okay, this one is from 42 Lolita, and I bought a dress to actually customize on my second channel to look like the dresses in the game Hello Kitty Island Adventure. If you have not seen that, I have a whole section when I take either items from the game like cakes and stuff and I make them in real life, or dresses, like the dresses you can wear in your avatar. I take real Lolita dresses and I cut through them and make new items like in the game. And so this time for Halloween, it's gothic Lolita. Can you believe it? So all the other dresses has some kind of a look like it could be Lolita, but this one specifically has lace and everything, and it says Lolita. So I'm so excited about this. And obviously, even though it's gothic, they also have one colorway that is called ice cream, and it's mint and pink. And oh my god, the furniture are so pretty. So there's a mint and pink dress. So I bought this one to actually edit it and make it look like in the game. We'll see if I can do that. Probably not in time for Halloween because it's in 2 weeks now, but it does fit. This is a size 3L and it's not too tight here. The buttons should not pop out. I'm comfortable. I'm looking forward to customize it for my other channel, Hello Kitty Island Adventure. If you see this and this video is already out, it will be linked somewhere. If you want to see other dresses that I have customized, click the link in the description. And remember, I love 42 Lolita. I finally found Taobao reseller that I can recommend to all of you. Before, all the Taobao resellers that I had were bad communication, or send you the wrong size, or send you damaged things, or overpriced, or things like that. This one is the best. The communication is the best. They are actually selling you exactly what you ordered. It's not too expensive. I love it. So I also signed up for their affiliate. So now if you order through my link, I will get something to support my channel. But I'm happy that I can be supported through this to finally one Taobao reseller that I trust and is doing good things. For years I was like, I'm not sure which one to recommend. Now if you ask me where to buy it, I can tell you where to buy it. And they always give you gifts. So this is so cute. Oh my god, I love that. This is hand towel. That's adorable. What does it look like? Is it watermelon? And it's kind of mint and pink. And the other day thrifting, I found this gem, like on the second store or something. It's a silk blazer. And I've been obsessed with blazers lately. And it's size 44, so it's a little bit big for me. But I would wear more like 42, I guess. But at least it's big, because usually like the normie item style would be like too short here, so it fits. I don't know if it will be good for Lolita, but it will definitely be good for me looking like myself in professional setting, like in my colors and looking cute, so I can put some frilly blouse under it and still look like professional. I'm loving this so much, I cannot wait to try it. So I thought it was too big, but it's actually okay. So definitely this is comfortable. It's normal that it's 3/4 apparently. I cannot flip that really. I could, but it's not that pretty. I think maybe it's still prettier like this. It's big, but it's not too big that it looks weird. And I think it looks really nice for a normie style blazer. If I need to go on top of something like, for example, this, really cool. I like it. And now we have 2 boxes. Let's start with the big one. Not everything inside is for me. We made a big order with my friends. So those 2 are for my friend. One is a Halloween sweater, so I need to talk to her to see if she wants to actually get it before Halloween because I'm only seeing her after. And now we have 2 Teapot bags. So one is white and one is pink, and Marianne took the white one, I think, and I took the pink one, I think. It's a little bit squished. Let's see if we can make it unsquished. So they did put something inside to minimize squishing, but it did not work out so well. Okay, so this is it. I think it's still a little bit squished, unfortunately. I will see if I can just in between uses just stuff it super well so it takes a shape that is very round. Probably when I will use it myself, I will stuff it so it will look round. But I think it's gorgeous. So it has a lot of blue, but the green on it is very mint, and the pink is actually a very pretty pink. So the fact that it has blue is a bit of an issue for me because I never have blue stuff, but the rest is actually gorgeous. The print is beautiful, except for the shape. I think it's cute. It's not too small actually. You can kind of put a lot because it's kind of big. Yay, I'm looking forward to that. So apparently it's really a handbag that you have to carry like that, because I don't think you can wear it like that. No, it's not very practical. This is the ultimate Lolita bag, I feel, because it's a teapot. What do you think? And there's a white version too, and there's actually a black version with skeletons and everything, totally different print on it, but I think it's the same decor. I think I remember it's a different item. So it's so cool. I'm so happy I got this back. Last one is from Access Femme. It's actually big. Satin ballet sneakers. Good. That is perfect because I was needing... No. I was like, I was needing more long sleeve cut sews. It's not a long sleeve cut sew, it's a short sleeve cut sew. So this is not for this season now. So it looked like some kind of cotton jersey. It's so soft and stretchy, and oh wow, I love this fabric, and I think it will be big enough. It's size medium, but yeah, definitely big. Loving it, loving it. Can't wait to try it. It is so soft. I love it so much. Now, honestly, if they had many other colors that would suit my wardrobe, I would go for them all. And if they ever get this in longer form, I would definitely go for it. It's just a little bit tight here, so after wearing it I get a mark here, but it's never too tight that it cuts my blood or anything. It's actually kind of heavyweight but so stretchy. I don't know how to describe it. One of the coolest cut sews I've ever had, and it really looks pretty. Honestly, I'm in love. I've already worn it several times in between unboxing it and filming this, and I love it. Those are sneaker sandals, like very comfortable shoes for daily. This is exactly what I needed for the summer. This is a very good sole with sturdy thing to walk and everything, but it's open, so it's kind of light and comfortable and frilly with bows and lace and everything. And it's white satin, so I can imagine that it will be very easily dirty, but also you have this big sole here that is coming up and protecting all around, so hopefully it will stay okay. If I took white, that means that they did not have a very cute pink or mint. I don't remember the colors that I had. And apparently, oh wow, they have very nice memory foam inside of it, like super thick. Oh wow, it looks perfect. Let's see if it fits. Okay, this is a bit tight with the regular socks that I have, so I'll see it with some actually tights or super thinner socks, because this is L and they did not have LL, which is usually what I'm wearing, but I can fit in some L in Japan too. Oh yeah, barefoot I have plenty of space, so with the super thin socks it would be perfect. Yay, I'm looking forward. So actually I was looking for sneakers for the summer, and my sneakers were having a haul, so those are perfect for next summer. Yay! So if you love watching me unbox stuff, I have a full playlist here of tons of Lolita fashion unboxings, and as I mentioned, all my trip in Japan with things from Sanrio on my other channel and Lolita stuff on this one will be in this playlist over here. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, everybody can be kawaii. Bye bye!